In modern mechanism-based drug development groups, reagents make all the difference. We make, validate, and certify high-purity DNA gyrase from both E. coli and staph to an exacting standard. You can be sure that our bacterial gyrase is perfectly suited for your antibiotic discovery project. Let me explain further. Overexpressed in bacteria, DNA gyrase subunits are purified as single-band on-page gels, which guarantees outstanding purity and high and consistent activity based on supercoiling DNA units. Our bacterial enzymes are perfectly optimized for new antibiotic screening. This ensures that researchers will see consistent results in their screens. Gyrase drug screens using kDNA are very informative and reveal important mechanism of action of your new antibiotic. As shown here, some drugs may simply inhibit gyrase, in which case there will be no mini-circular ring formation. Drugs that poison gyrase and freeze the cleavage complex will yield linear kDNA products. These are easily resolved by gel electrophoresis. With guaranteed enzyme performance and stable catalytic activity, our gyrase enzyme is the trusted choice for researchers worldwide. Its superior quality and affordability make it a valuable drug discovery tool in any setting. TopoGEN also offers custom screening services with certified reagents for fast turnaround and reliable results at an affordable cost. Email us for a quote and ask about our IQ screening services. IQ stands for Insight Quick and is ideal for labs that want a quick and mechanism-based decision flow on which drugs are most promising and which should be low priority. Our innovative IQ screen not only saves you time and resources, but also ensures efficient optimization from hit to lead. Scientists are here to assist you every step of the way, providing rapid turnaround times and revealing mechanisms of action for your unknowns. A comprehensive report will be included with suggestions from our scientists, who have many years of topo research and peer-reviewed publications.